What was in that sauce? Look at him!
Stay with me, Jake! Look right at my eyes!
Yep, that's my family. You're probably wondering how my little brother's perfect birthday dinner turned into a massive medical emergency. Let's rewind.
Is it time? Am I 7 yet?
By about 3 hours, birthday boy. Phew, happy birthday.
I feel taller. Look, do I look taller, Mom?
Ah, you look exactly like a 7-year-old. Now sit down for your birthday oatmeal before you explode.
Wow, strawberries and blueberries? Best breakfast ever!
Whoops, haha! Happy birthday, champ! Ready to make your big choice for where we eat dinner tonight?
The Garden Cafe! I want to go to the place with the giant indoor trees!
Oh, good choice, Jake. They have that huge waterfall inside. It's so loud.
It's a deal! Let's see, we'll get dressed up and head there for an early dinner to beat the rush!
Yes! I'm going to wear my new birthday sneakers! They make me run faster!
Welcome to the Garden Cafe. Happy birthday, young man.
Thank you! I'm 7 now, you know, so I'm ordering for myself today.
He's been practicing his big boy voice all morning in the bathroom mirror.
Well then, I'm ready when you are, sir.
Yes, I would like the grilled chicken with the orange sauce, please.
Excellent choice. Very grown up. And for the adults?
Wait. Before we order, I must mention something very important.
Of course, sir. Is there an issue?
Our son has a severe peanut allergy. It is absolutely vital that there are no peanuts or peanut oils in his meal. Could you please confirm with the chef directly that the orange sauce is 100% safe?
Absolutely. I completely understand. I will double check every single one of the ingredients. We take allergies very seriously here. I'll be back in just a moment.
Whoa, look at the plants, Jake. They're hanging straight down from the ceiling.
It feels like we're eating in a real jungle! This is so cool!
It's a very peaceful atmosphere, isn't it, Mark? Just what we needed.
It really is. I'm just glad we're all here together. No distractions.
Here we are. One special grilled chicken with orange sauce for the birthday boy coming in hot. The chef personally confirmed absolutely no peanuts. Enjoy your meal.
Oh man, it smells so sweet! Here goes nothing! Oh wow, this is the best thing I've ever tasted!
Whoa, slow down, buddy. It's not a race. Chew your food.
But it's so good, Dad! Wait, my throat feels kinda scratchy.
Scratchy? What do you mean? Like you need a drink of water?
No, it feels tight. And my hands, they're so itchy.
Mom, look, his face is turning red.
Oh my God, Mark, look at his eyes. They're starting to swell right now.
Waitress, get over here now!
Dad, why am I so itchy? It hurts.
It's okay, Jake. Stay with me. Look right at my eyes, honey.
What was in that sauce? Look at him! These are hives!
I checked. I swear I checked. I'll go to the kitchen right now.
Is Jake going to be okay? Daddy, please do something.
Lisa, get his shirt open. We need to see if the rash is spreading to his chest.
I am so sorry. The chef, he used a new peanut oil for the glaze. He just forgot.
He forgot? My 7-year-old son could die because he forgot?
Lisa, stop! We don't have time to yell. I need the antihistamine. Where is it?
Wait, if you need to master English for daily conversations exactly like this terrifying one, grab our ebook. It has 25 easy English stories with grammar spotlights, practical quizzes, and speaking prompts to help you learn faster. Link in the description. Okay, now let's see if Mark can get this medicine to Jake in time.
Mom, I'm really scared. I can't. It feels so heavy to breathe.
I know, baby. I know it hurts. Dad has the medicine right here. Just look at me. Breathe with me. In and out.
Got it. Here, Jake, you have to drink all of this right now, buddy. That's it. Swallow it all down. Good boy.
Mom, is Jake really going to be all right? He looks so sick.
Not if we act fast. Look at the clock. If the itching doesn't stop in exactly 1 minute, we call the ambulance.
Come on, Jake. Please, come on, honey. Let the medicine work.
I feel very sleepy all of a sudden, Mom.
Look, the hives are fading. Thank God, the redness is actually going away.
Oh, thank heaven. His face is looking normal again. We're okay.
Sir, ma'am, please, we are absolutely horrified. This was a terrible, unforgivable oversight.
A mistake like this ends lives. We are leaving right now.
Of course. There is absolutely no charge for anything. We will pay for any medical bills you have.
Stop. We don't want your money. We just want our son to be safe.
All right, up we go. Can you walk, sweetie?
I think so. I just really want to go home now.
I've got you, Jake. I won't let go. I promise.
You were so brave today, buddy. I am so incredibly proud of you.
I was really scared, Mom. I thought my whole birthday was ruined.
Hey, a birthday is just a day on the calendar, Jake. But having you safe, that's the real gift.
Yeah, and look on the bright side. At least the restaurant was completely free.
Oh, June, always looking for the silver lining, aren't you?
Next year, can we please just have oatmeal for dinner too?
Phew, that was a real emergency. Let's review our nouns before we go. Oatmeal, a healthy breakfast made from grains. Ingredients, the specific food items used to make a dish. Hives, the red, itchy bumps that show up during an allergy. Antihistamine, the liquid medicine that stops a reaction and saves the day.
My turn. Now let's look at the adjectives. Itchy, how your skin feels when you really want to scratch it. Meaningful, something that is very special and important, like family. Vital, something that is absolutely necessary for your safety.
Awesome. And finally, our verbs. Initiative, to take the first step or lead an action. Oversight, a mistake made by forgetting a detail.
So, have you ever been to a restaurant that made a giant mistake? We want to hear your story.
Keep practicing your English, be super kind to everyone, and we'll see you in the very next adventure. Goodbye,
Goodbye, everyone.